Changing your phone number on Google Calendar is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open Google Calendar. Launch the Google Calendar app on your mobile device or visit the Google Calendar website on your computer. Step 2. Access settings. In the app, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. On the website, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Step 3. Go to your account. In the Settings menu, look for the section that relates to your account or personal information. This may be labeled as Account or Personal Information. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated field and make sure to save your changes. Step 5. Verify changes. After updating your phone number, check for any verification prompts. You may need to verify your new number through a text message or call to ensure it is correctly linked to your account. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in Google Calendar.